Welcome to English Language and Literature, your go-to place for mastering the English language. Today, we're going over the 20 most popular English phrases used in daily conversations. These are the phrases you hear everywhere, from casual chats to formal discussions. Let's dive in. 1. How's it going? A casual way to ask someone how they are. It's similar to how are you, but more relaxed. 2. What's up? This is another informal greeting. It's often used when you meet someone you know, meaning what's happening or what's new. 3. Long time no see. You say this when you haven't seen someone for a while and you're happy to meet them again. 4. Take it easy. A way to tell someone to relax or not worry about something. It can also be a casual goodbye. 5. I'm just kidding. You use this to clarify that you were only joking and didn't mean what you just said seriously. 6. No worries. A friendly response to show that something isn't a big deal, often used instead of you're welcome or don't worry about it. 7. Hang in there. This phrase offers support, telling someone not to give up when they're facing a difficult situation. 8. Let's catch up. You use this when you want to reconnect with someone after some time apart, meaning let's talk and see what's new with each other. 9. It's up to you. A way to let the other person decide or make a choice, often used in conversations about plans. 10. Can't complain. A phrase used when someone asks how you are, and you don't have any big issues or problems. 11. Piece of cake. You say this when something is very easy to do. For example, that test was a piece of cake. 12. Break a leg. This is a common phrase to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance or a big event. 13. Under the weather. When you're feeling slightly ill or not at your best, you can say, I'm feeling under the weather today. 14. Hit the books. To hit the books means to start studying, often used by students who need to prepare for exams. 15. A blessing in disguise. This phrase refers to something that seemed bad at first, but turned out to be good in the end. 16. The ball is in your court. This is used when it's someone else's turn to make a decision or take action. 17. Bite the bullet. To bite the bullet means to face a tough situation bravely, even if it's unpleasant. 18. Once in a blue moon. This means something happens very rarely. For example, I only see her once in a blue moon. 19. Burn the midnight oil. This phrase is used when you stay up late working on something, especially studying or completing a project. 20. Better late than never. You use this when something is done later than expected, but it's still better to finish it than not to do it at all. And that wraps up our list of the 20 most popular English phrases in daily conversation. Start using these in your day-to-day speech to sound more natural and fluent. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and lessons from English Language and Literature. What's your favorite phrase from the list? Comment below and let us know.